Hello everyone. Today we will do book reading from our book Essence of English. Today we will read page number 58, Sound of U. C U P, cup. P U P, pup. C U T, cut. H U T, hut. N U T, nut. G U T, gut. B U S, bus. L O T U S, lotus. P L U S, plus. C U B, cub. R U B, rub. T U B, tub. Yes students, now we will do book reading according to sound. Like sound of U is a. Here sound of U is a. Sound of P is P. So we call it up. Sound of C is K. K. A. P. Cup. K. A. P. Cup. Sound of P is P. P. A. P. Pup. P. A. P. Pup. Sound of U is a. Sound of T is T. A. T. We call it a. T. Sound of C is K. A. T. Cut. K. A. T. Cut. Sound of H is H. H. A. T. Hut. H. A. T. Hut. Sound of N is N. N. A. T. Nut. N. A. T. Nut. Sound of G is G. G. A. T. Gut. G. A. T. Gut. Sound of U is A and sound of S is S. S. We call it a S. Us. Sound of B is B. B. A. S. Bus. B. A. S. Bus. Sound of L is L. Sound of O is O. L. O. Sound of T is T. L. O. T. A. S. Lotus. L. O. T. A. S. Lotus. Sound of P is P. P. L. Sound of L is L. P. L, A, S, plus. Sound of U is A and sound of B is B. So we call it A, B. Sound of C is K, K, A, B, cub, K, A, B, cub. Sound of R is R. Sound of R is R, R, A, B, rub, R, A, B, rub. Sound of T is T, T, A, B, tub, T, A, B, tub. Thank you.